Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a van79 error on Valorant. Quite easy, so let me show how. First of all, what you need to do here is to open up Task Manager, and you need to make sure that there's no VGC, Vanguard tasks, and Riot client tasks is not running. Then what you need to do here is to open up your disk where Valorant is installed. Usually is on disk C, program files, and then here you need to look for Riot Vanguard folder, right? So you just need to look for Riot Vanguard folder and you just need to delete it, right? If you cannot delete it, a whole folder, just delete the content of the folders here and just leave it with the logs and the VGK. And then what you need to do next is to open up Riot client, install Vanguard, and enjoy your game. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.